Welcome back to Writford. This time, documents, templates, and media. Every file you attach to a matter opens right here in your browser. Open a matter, go to the Files tab, and click any document. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, even a PDF. It launches in Writford's built-in editor. No Word license, no downloading and re-uploading. Make your edits, and they autosave straight back into the matter and re-index for the AI. So your firm's answers always reflect the latest version. And built right into that editor is Writford AI, your writing assistant. Select a passage, open the AI action, and choose what you need. Summarize it, rewrite it, translate it, proofread it, or just keep drafting from where you left off. It'll even read a scanned page for you with OCR. Everything's tuned for British legal English, and it won't invent case citations. Review the result and drop it straight into your document. Got a letter you send all the time? Turn it into a template once. Open Templates in the sidebar and click Upload Template. Drop in a finished Word document. Here's a client care letter. Give it a title, pick the area of law, and hit Upload and Detect fields. Writford's AI reads the whole document and proposes the variable parts for you. The names, the dates, the references, the amounts. Review them. Rename a label, change a field's type, mark one required, or add a field the AI missed. Then save it to your library. Now the clever bit. Next time you need that letter, just open the template and fill the form. Every field is pre-filled with the original sample so you can see exactly what you're replacing. Change the values and Generate and Download hands you a perfect Word file in seconds, or attach it straight into a matter's files. Your templates are color-coded too. System templates in gold, your firm's in violet, and your own personal ones in amber. There's a smaller cousin to this, for billing. Narrative templates are short, reusable snippets for your invoice wording. Writford ships with 8 UK legal starters organized by area of law, conveyancing, litigation, family, and more. Save the ones you like or copy any of them to your clipboard with a single click, so your bills always read consistently. And finally, the media library. Every file you've ever attached to a chat lives here in one gallery. Filter by type. PDFs, Word documents, spreadsheets, images. Sort by newest or largest. And when you spot the one you want, click the tile to jump straight back to the conversation it came from. No more digging through old messages. That's documents, writing, templates, and media. See you in the next one.